babies.
What's good, y'all? Today we're going to be working in Dreamweaver, and today we're talking about the CSS Designer. Now, the CSS Designer is basically a visual functionality of CSS. Let's jump straight into it. I'm going to start off with a starter template, basic multi-column. And normally when you open it up, the designer is over here to the right. But if you don't see it, you can go to Window, CSS Designer, and there you have it. Now, I'm going to change the visuals of this content heading section. I've got to find it in the HTML. Scroll down, there it is right there, left article. And as I click left article, you see it's computed right here in the CSS Designer. Now from right there, I could change the background color. It's white, change to black, bam. You know what I'm saying? I can change the paragraph. Make sure it pops up, there it is. I can change the paragraph text color. It's gray, change it to white, bam. And there you have it. That's the basics of the CSS Designer. Hope you guys learned something today. See you next time. Peace.